In Bangkok, Thailand, and I am so excited. So for the first timers upon arrival here in the airport, so you will go through the immigration officers again. So in our case pala, we booked through Klook, and now we're getting the same card on the 4th floor. And tignan nyo naman guys, di ba? Nakarating kami ng Thailand na parang nag-mall lang. Di ba? Ayun o. Oh. Naka-slip-ons lang. Well, ganun talaga. Kailangan natin ng mga chillax moments. Anyway guys, gusto ko yung mga escalator dito. Yung ano lang siya, wala siyang levels, naka-flats lang. Tapos smooth gliding lang. Ayan. Oh my God, may Buddhas na. This is what I'm really here for talaga.
That's orange.
Hehe. So sa airport pa lang meron ng ganyan. So there's the stall, and Jordan's now getting the SIM cards. After inserting it in our mobile devices, we're now here at the currency exchange shops. So ito yung napili namin, yung super rich. Though wala naman silang pagkakaiba netong mga ibang stalls dito. Ang halaga ng 6,000 namin is 3,390 lang. So now we're searching for our names. Yeah, I saw it na. Hi. So there's our tour guide. Come on. Hey, we're so happy na. We saw our tour guide, and we are ready to go to our hotel. I must admit, it's really convenient to have a tour guide here kasi it would be so difficult if we will be all by ourselves. So we're already here at the PJ Watergate Hotel. Ito siya. Bye! Kapon ka! Oh, there's our welcome drink from this beautiful lady. Thank you. Yun naman si Jordan. Talagang dala-dala niya yung kanyang pangkamot from Manila. Yeah, I know. Okay guys, we're now in our room at the PJ Watergate Hotel. So let's have a quick room tour. Of course, they have vanity. No smoking here. They have electric kettle. They have refrigerator. May closet and merong bathroom. May heater din. Meron ding blower, meron towels. And mukhang bago yung aircon nila. They also have television. And what's our view here? Ay, walang view. Buti na lang, maganda ang curtain. So, they gave us a big bed for couples. So, guys, magsasettle lang kami ng mga gamit namin, and then we will have lunch outside. First time namin magta-try ng authentic Thai food. Hi, guys. We're now here at the Super Rich. Just a few kilometers away from our hotel. So, eto palang Super Rich, talagang mas maganda yung kanyang palit sa peso. Hindi na pala 56 pesos sa airport. But here it is exchanged for 58 pesos. And yung aming 50,000 peso na pocket money is now 27 point something thousand baht. So we're now here at a restaurant in the market, inside the market place called Zabeli. So, overall, our lunch for today cost 600 to 700 Thai baht. So, now we're planning to go to Chatuchak. Hi, we're now here at Chatuchak. This is the cheapest among all the shopping areas here in Bangkok. So, let's check it out. Ko yan yung may mga ano. That's nice. That's my first purchase. Yeah, this is so nice. So nice. This kind mister gave it to me for a very affordable price. So he's in the stall number. What's your stall number, sir?
This is block number 23 and Soy 5 first shop.
Alright. In the stall 909, still in the Chatuchak, and I am getting my passport holder for only 80 Thai baht. Yan, free name na yan and logo. So pipili ka ng isa dyan, tapos magka-carve sila ng name mo for 8 letters lang. In the center of Chatuchak, ay, ngumingiti. Ngumingiti siya. So, we found this tower clock or clock tower. Dito pala yan sa gitna ng Chatuchak. And we're now here at the Chatuchak market. Na walang makapagsabi sa akin kung ano daw pangalan ng market na to. So, here's what we ordered. Si ate kanina sinisigawan ako, but it's okay. Kasi baka nagmamwaita yun eh. Hindi ako marunong nun eh. Morning guys. So, it's our day 2 in Bangkok. And we're still at the hotel to eat some breakfast. So this is what I got for breakfast, of course. I have my juice, egg, pork with rice, stir-fried pork with some chili sauce, and sausage. And this is bean curd soup. It's a Jordan, of course, my bread yan. And then food here.
nilagyan ng tela, and there's a ritual earlier. There was an offering because next week is a big event here because it's the anniversary of the Standing Buddha. And that's it for me.
In here, right? Only one queen bee. The other, a lot of the bee we call the worker bee. Right?
Worker bee.
Worker bee. So you will see the queen. The body is longer and the bigger one. Moment, he will point you. Be careful, the bee will sting. He will point you. That one. The body is longer. She move.
Oh yeah, I saw it.
That one.
There.
Be careful.
Oh my god.
Okay. Okay. Because of the weather, it's not so good today, so they will sting. But be careful. Yeah.
Okay, so we're now here at Gems and Minerals. We'll try to find some stops here. So, manonood daw muna kami ng sine. Tapos kailangan namin bumili ng alahas. Sorry. Vlogger.
Utmost value of civilization.
Alright, ayan na. Wow. I bought some good stuff for my mom. Pero hindi naman yun ganun ka pricey. Tama lang, but it's a real store. Okay guys, so kakagaling lang namin sa Prato ng market and sobrang mura talaga. Sobrang dami namin nabili. Eh hindi na ako nagbukas ng phone doon. Hindi na ako naglabas ng phone kasi masyadong toxic ang buhay doon. Anyway, right now we're riding the famous tuk-tuk in Thailand. So sa Pilipinas para din tong tuk-tuk natin. Pero mas ibang klase siya kasi mas lowered yung mas madaming nalalaman. Nakita ko sa kahapon merong tuk-tuk na ang daming nakasakay talaga. Sa atin diba parang maximum of 4. Dito parang mas marami. And ayun, kailangan lang talaga pag sasakay kayo ng tuk-tuk, makikipag-usap kayo ng malinaw kasi some of them are so. Alright guys, so we're now here at the Asiatic. Dito kami sasakay. Going to the dinner cruise. Din palang shops dito guys. And oh, that's so nice. That's a huge Ferris wheel. May mga restos din. Right now we're claiming our tickets, our entrance tickets. So guys, we booked our tickets here. So magbubook through Klook. Kaso baka magandang mag-DIY and baka mas makamura. Pero kanina nung nasa tour kami ng Value Tours and Guide, inoffer nila yung dinner cruise for only 1,400 Thai baht. Kasama na yung nadidistract ako. Maganda kasi. So, kasama na dun yung transpo papunta dito and going back to the hotel or wherever we want to be dropped. So, that's all for now. See you at the dinner cruise. Guys, ang ganda na itong ship na to. Alam niyo parang mga ships ng araw. Ganun yung itsura niya. Is this just a decor here or it is rideable? I don't know. Pero maganda siya. As in. Wow, that's so cool! Yay! So we're now inside the White Orchid Dinner Cruise. And napakaswerte namin. Nagpe-pray nga ako na sana mapunta kami sa window side. Nasa window side kami. morning. Today is day 3 in Bangkok, and we are in the Element Palladium. Yeah, it's legit beauty products. Hi. They were very nice and helpful to us. So, mini tour tayo dito sa store nila. Meron na silang mga sarili nilang products. Herbaholics. Yeah, and of course, yung mga soaps na super gaganda and not so pricey. Yan. And then, kumpleto. Merong for hair, merong for skincare, for slimming, pills, whitening, powders, and lotions. So, super okay dito. Tingnan nyo naman yung mga price, guys. $179, $89. Mag-haul ako para ma-sightseeing nyo naman kung ano yung mga pinagbibili ko dito. Alright. Okay, let's go.
Thank you.
Okay. We're now eating at KFC nga pala in Thailand. And what's exciting here is, I found out that their drinks for 60 baht will be unlimited dito. Anyway, ang problema lang na nakita ko, which is maybe not for everyone, pero sa akin na mahilig sa gravy, it's a problem. Walang gravy dito. Ketchup lang and chili sauce.
To start the day yet. I just wanna stay, even if we run late. This morning, let's take our time. Everybody needs a break, right? Sometimes I wait for just an hour more. What's the rush? Who's calling? Who's calling? I won't ask for much. All I want is sleeping on a Sunday. The morning can put the day on hold. And if we want a sun ray,
I'm now here at the Platinum Mall, and I got a lot of photos from this shop. Yeah. What's the name of your shop, miss? What's your stall number? This is Maple Club there. Maple Club. Hi! That's the beautiful lady I bought my polos from. So there, that's the Maple Club from 4th floor, the men's section floor.
Yeah, Zoom to 4th floor.
You can buy a lot of polos here. Different designs, different sizes. So,
Many designs.
yeah. And the seller is so pretty. Yeah. So, dito kami na sa Bigs. Kasi sabi nila mura daw dito. Kumbaga parang mas makakamura ka kung dito manggagaling yung mga pasalubong. Guys, I cannot keep this from you. Meron kami nakitang cosmetic heaven dito sa Indra Mall. Dito lang din malapit sa Big C, sa Central World. Grabe, sobrang mumura. Lahat na yata ng uri ng cosmetics and different Thai products. Makikita nyo dito. Ito, sample. Tignan nyo yan. Yung eyebrow pencil nila, 60 lang. Meron pa mga panlalaki. Oh. 139. Sobrang mura talaga. As in, tignan nyo yung kanilang mga CC products. 147. Meron pa sa kabila, mga 59, 69, ganun. Sobrang dami, nakakatuwa. First row pa lang to, guys, ha. Yun yung mga foundation. 202, 108, Capital po yan. Mga mascara, skincare. Ito yung sikat sa atin, yung 888. Yung pampaputi ng underarms, meron dito. For only, sa atin to sa Shopee, 250. Dito, 109 pesos. See? Grabe talaga. Napakadami. Nice, ang dami ding chocolates here. Tapos mayroong mga may mga slimming coffee, mga pills, whitening. Ganyan, oh. Sobrang dami. Grabe talaga. Mga snacks. And super mura. Etong shop na to yung pinakamurang nakita ko. Aside from the Herbaholics na ano naman yun, the place for skincare, dito cosmetics, ang dami, sobra. Guys, it's already 11 p.m. here in Bangkok, but the roads here are still alive. So the night's still young and we're still finding something. So this is the day that the Lord has made. Ito na yung day na uuwi kami and ako na lang ang pinaka-late na kumain dito sa buffet. Nagliligpit na sila. Sobrang late ko kasi nagising, guys. It's the most difficult part na when traveling. Ayan yung pinapack namin lahat. Sobra. Pumunta kami dito. Naandala namin is 15 kilogram lang yung hand carry namin. Pagbalik namin 50 plus kilogram na pabalik ng Pinas. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Sobrang sarap naman kasi mag-shopping dito, guys. Sobra. So, alam nyo na kung anong kakalabasan ng haul ko. Sobrang tagal nito, malamang. But, I'm going to share it all with you. Kung saan nabili, magkakaano, and yung mga tips and advices pag nagsha-shopping dito sa Bangkok. Hi guys! So, dito na kami sa airport. It was just a 4-day trip dito sa Bangkok. Pero ang dami namin nagawa. Actually, ang naging focus namin dito sa punta namin ngayon is parang mag-shopping. Ang Bangkok. Ang sarap mag-shopping dito, guys. Sobra. So, after din, nagpa-massage kami. And I tried the legit Thai massage. Actually, first time kasi sa Philippines, lagi ako Swedish massage. Tsaka yung hilot, ganyan. Pati si Jordan, first time namin nag-Thai massage. And what can I say about it? That was crazy. Kasi parang feeling ko, binali-bali ako. Sinaktan ako. Diniinan yung katawan ko. Tinapak-tapakan ako. And yung super stretching talaga. Ganun. Pero, grabe naman yung sarap ng pakiramdam after. Grabe talaga. As in, parang sana may ganun din talagang katinding Thai massage sa Philippines. Kasi parang feeling ko, hanap-hanapin ko siya. Yun lang, guys. See you in Manila!